Hello, my name is Roy, and this is my demo for the GitHub Webhook Receiver project, a full stack application that captures real GitHub events like push pull request and merge, stores them in MongoDB using Flask, and displays them in a live updating UI. So this project divided into two repositories. One is action repos and another one is a webhook repo. So the action repo, this is a dummy GitHub repository where I perform Git actions like comments, pull request and merges. So in this webhook repos, this is a Flask backend that receives GitHub webhook events, stores them in a MongoDB and serves in a minimal front-end UI. So let me show you how everything works end to end. So these are run.py. This creates the app and configures MongoDB, and this is extension.py. This initialize the PyMongo client, and this is the init.py creates the app and configures the MongoDB. This routes.py. This contains the mine webhook receiver logic and the API to fetch stored events, and also index.html inside the template. This is a minimal UI to display activity, and all incoming webhook events are routed to this webhook receiver, and it's stored in a MongoDB uh, collection named actions. As you can see, this is previous events which are stored in a MongoDB. So now I will run the Flask server and expose it to the GitHub using Ngrok. First run the Flask server, so then run the Ngrok, and so here's my Ngrok public URL. So uh, which I will use payload URL for the GitHub webhook. So we have to configure the webhook in my action repo on GitHub. So we have to go to the setting, and we have to go to the webhook. So we have already uh, added a webhook. So if you need to add anything new, so we have to go for this. Here we have to paste your payload URL, and at the end we have to uh, add webhook receiver. So content type we have to select the application JSON. So in the event we have to uh, click this one and select the push and pull. So after this we have to add the webhook. So whenever I push code, open a pull request or merge one, GitHub will send a webhook to my Flask backend. Now I will simulate all three event types to demonstrate the flow. First I will make the simple commit and push. So before that we have to clone the action repo to our VS, and we have to go to the action repo folder. So first we will perform the push event. So paste this one. Yes. Then we can perform the pull events. Yes. Uh, so this triggers the pull request event webhook. So next we can see the we can see this compare and pull request. Go to that. So then create the pull request. Then for merge event, press this one. So confirm. There is no separate event for merge. Whenever we find action is equal to closed and merged event is true, then the merge event will be triggered. So now we can see the ngrok URL. So as you can see, the event is triggered, and it updates in the GitHub action feed UI. So also we can see the MongoDB. Uh, so The front end automatically pulls data from the backend every 15 seconds and it displays the latest GitHub events. So, so I successfully built a GitHub Webhook, a listener that captures real events, processes them using Flask, stores them in a MongoDB, and it reflects them in a live UI. So, thank you.